So, why is crypto crashing? A lot of you might be asking this. Well, if you listen to our last video, the Federal Reserve Bank of America raised interest rates by 75 base points. So what we're seeing now is a flow-on effect from that. People are starting to get out of assets, especially retail investors like yourself and me, more than likely. So the other thing too is, because of this, Bitcoin, one of the largest cryptos, is crashing itself. So we all know that most other altcoins follow Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin crashing, the rest of the market will follow its trajectory. And this comes, as I said, because of that, the macroeconomic things that we're experiencing. The war in Ukraine, inflation rates being at nearly a 30-year high, cost of living and all that kind of thing. So in America at the moment, crypto is trading for roughly $21,974, or at the time of posting this article, or £18,000. Now in Australia it's about 30,000 at the moment, I believe, but it is falling. Now, with the raise of the 75 base points, this is going to have an impact not just on crypto though. It will impact our stocks, the stock exchange. We've already seen it that NASDAQ is down at a low that we haven't seen in about 2 years. I believe the Dow Jones is down about to a 2-year low as well. Not sure about S&P 500, but I would imagine it's not far off that if it already hasn't. So what's happening is that you have all these markets, all these asset classes, asset areas that are tanking, for lack of a better word, and this is due in a lot of cases to inflation and the rising interest rates. Rising interest rates, people don't have as much money to spend. They've got to pay more money back. So if the rises to the interest rates keep going, we could see crypto fall a lot heavier. So you might be asking, well, this is all well and good, but what do I need to do? Well, I would be keeping an eye on the markets, stock and crypto personally. The other thing too is, don't be afraid of the bear market. I know that a lot of people are a bit concerned about it, but the thing is, right, if you have that extra, $1, $2, $10, $100 a week, month, fortnight, if you have that kind of money that you are able to or willing to burn or set on fire, so to speak, not physically but metaphorically. This isn't financial advice, by the way, but me personally, right, because I do have some extra money that I can chuck into these things, I will be dollar cost averaging into the likes of Solana, Algorand, Shiba Inu, things like this. But I reckon the next few months to possibly a couple of years, maybe, depending on how inflation and interest rates go, will be the time to buy in if you have that extra money. And if you can actually hold your position once this recession, which I believe personally that we're in at the moment, but they haven't called it yet in the Federal Reserve Bank of America. But once this is all dealt with, once we get back to a more normal cost of living, what have you, I will hazard a guess that if you've been able to manage to hold those cryptos, those commodities, those stocks, you will be in a far better position than if you were to pull that money out now. As I said before, not financial advice, this is just my personal opinion on this. But yeah. So there's lots of things that could happen. So in a nutshell, in order for it to stabilize, people will still have to basically buy into the crypto market. So I think crypto itself will be fine in the long run, but we all need to be willing to accept that this is a bear market, and work through that and hold our, if not add to our positions within this bear market. So thanks for watching. If you like our content, please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you for more crypto news possibly tomorrow.